The sample size of the research is not a rule of thumb. Rather, it depends upon a host of factors such as the objectives of the study, availability of resources, sampling error, size of the sampling subgroup for which data has to be collected, and heterogeneity of the universe. The calculation of sample size depends upon some key factors, which include significance, the likelihood that the measured effect did not occur by chance. Significance level is denoted by alpha, which is the type 1 error. Power, the likelihood that when a program or treatment has an effect, you will be able to distinguish the effect, which is type 2 error. The loss of effectiveness by using cluster sampling instead of simple random sampling is the design effect. The design effect is the ratio of the actual variance under the sampling method used to the variance computed under the assumption of simple random sampling. The formula on screen denotes the design effect. Then we have the margin of error, a percentage that tells you how much you can expect your survey results to reflect the views of the overall population. The smaller the margin of error, the closer you are to having the exact answer at a given confidence level. Now that we know the estimation of sample size and the key criteria associated with it, let us take a look at how to do so. First, we must define the objectives of the survey and determine the population. Then, we must select the appropriate sampling method, after which primary sampling units need to be determined. The next step involves obtaining the sampling frame, which includes a list of all the sampling units. Then we need to decide the sample size, after which we execute it.